How to turn off subtitles and close captions on YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable captions while watching videos. First, open the YouTube app on your device. After that, tap on any video to start playing it. From there, tap once on the video screen to bring up the playback controls. At this point, tap on the CC icon at the top right of the video. In the next step, if captions are currently on, tapping this icon should turn them off immediately. Following this, if you'd like to turn off captions permanently for all future videos, tap on your profile icon at the top right instead. Once done, tap on Settings. From here, tap on Captions. At this stage, toggle off Show Captions or Always Show Captions, depending on how it's labeled. Keep in mind, this setting applies system-wide within YouTube, so captions will now stay off across all videos you watch, unless a video specifically forces them on. Finally, go back and play a video to confirm subtitles no longer appear automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off subtitles and close captions on YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.